జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. You are trying to teach me lessons with your monkey mind. Vali, do you know one thing? This entire bhumi which is filled up with mountains, forests and all these things. Ikshvakunam iyam bhumihi. All this entire Jambudvipam belongs to Ikshvaku. Oh Vali, Ikshvaku has a right to hunt animals or protect animals. Protecting or punishing. Nigraha, pragraha vapi. This is all a right, a freedom to Ikshvaku. They are the one who decides to protect or punish. And now this entire bhumi is under the ruling of Bharata. You know who is Bharata? He is not an ordinary man. Oh Vali, Bharata is Dharmatma. Not only that, Dharma Kamardha Tattvajnaha. He knows very well about Dharma, Kama, Ardha. He is Satyavan. And he is the one who knows very well whether to punish or whether to save. Oh Vali, such great Bharata is now ruling this entire earth. Saha Raja. He is only the king of this entire bhumi. Under his ruling, with his orders, I myself and along with me there are so many kings. We are all going around all the earth and going around so many places to make sure the righteousness is developed, righteousness is established. In that process, I happen to come here. Oh Vali, when Bharata is ruling this kingdom, this earth, how dare anyone to cross limits, anyone to act unrighteously, and also to make sure everyone leads their life righteously. We are all going around all the places. Oh Vali, you have done what you should not be doing, and you are leading your life only by taking kamam as main aspect. You have crossed all sort of maryada. And Vali, do you know one thing? For any good man, good person, brother, father and teacher, three of them are equal to father. For any good man on this earth, the sibling, the younger brother and son, disciple, these three are equal to son only. That is what Dharmasastram says. It is not easy to understand Dharmasastram. Oh Vali, now coming back to you, you are a monkey. Naturally, your mind is restless and your mind is so wavery. Whatever the decisions that you take, with all that wavery mind only you take decisions. If at all you consult someone, whom do you consult? Only other monkeys. That means it is like if a blind person taking support of another blind, where they would end up. That is what you are also doing. Consulting other monkeys does not give you great decisions. Oh Vali, and also with all of your aggression, you are accusing me. You should not be doing that. Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami now talking to Vali. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.